Hi sisters, it's Kelly here to tell you how to get your essentials delivered through Safr. Hit the delivery button after logging in. Enter the pickup and drop-off locations for the delivery and press Add Description to enter details of the items to be delivered. Remember to be as specific as possible while writing the description in order to avoid delays and delivery of incorrect items. Press Done and Continue if you don't need to edit the description. The app will show you the estimated fare for the delivery trip. Press the Request Delivery button. When a driver accepts your delivery request, you have the choice to accept or cancel it and to contact the driver. When the driver is on their way, you can hit the message button to view your order description by pressing Chat and talk to the driver via SMS or WhatsApp if not chat. You can also press Call to talk to the driver and choose whether you'd like to reveal your phone number to them or not. Once the items are delivered, you will be shown the invoice for the delivery trip. Rate your driver, tip them as you like, and share your experience on Facebook. See you soon!